What's good, fam? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. We are logging live for the custom tune. Alex at GORACEBOX told me I need to start in 3rd gear, do a pull at 3,500 RPM through 4th gear, and rev out to the top of 4th gear. So we got to find a place where we can get some space. Open the valves real quick. Not logging yet. I can automatically log by going wide open throttle, which is pushing the accelerator all the way down, or I can manually log where you can see that green start log button. I am going to manually log when I can. Coming back from the car wash, the car is clean. Got crazy content today, guys. Checked out an M4CS at United in Roswell. Amar, the sales guy there, came with me to a meet at Wolf Pen, which is a shop down the road. That was sick. Saw a 296, GT3 Touring, so many beautiful cars. I think we'll get some space ahead, guys. So once we get to the right lane up there, I think I'll run a log and give this tuner some data. The student driver stickers are hilarious. All right, let's start this log. Might have some space up there. All right, let's log it here. So he said start in 3rd gear at 3,500 RPM. So let me. All right, here we go. So that was one log. Hopefully it's still logging. Let's see. Yep, still logging. Let's put the car back down. Yep. That's what we needed. For 93 octane, that was pretty smooth. Boom! Now, who is rolling up on us? Haas. Special character. Oh man, yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Is this an F8 Tributo, guys? Spider? RS3. I didn't even know what this was. It's 296 GTS.
Yeah, hybrid.
Very high red line though,
Yeah.
even though it's turbo and hybrid.
Yeah.
Dude, tan on, I don't know if it's bronze, but the tan seats on bronze, that's crazy. And then GT3 Touring.
Dude, I love your 296.
Oh yeah. M2 looking beautiful. Have you driven one of these? You can get them in manual and bucket seats. Be a nice different experience, but no soft top. Like you can't put the top down. This is an individual yellow, looks amazing. RS6.
Here's Nina's RS.
Nina's RS, congrats to her. This is amazing.
Oh, dude, I love
So the GT4 RS is still around?
Still around.
Oh my god. Wysack.
Oh, dude,
Bro.
this car is nuts right here.
Did this go to Polecat?
No,
Okay.
no, she took her father's Polecat.
Oh, true. The real race car.
Oh yeah. This is really only for like mountains.
Amazing. I haven't seen another one with these blue wheels. They look so good.
Dude, I don't take this car as freaking hot pink. I don't
Yeah.
actually go the track.
Got the air suspension on the big body.
Not big on
Air suspension. It's like show car style, you know?
Yeah. I would think that airbag system takes up so much weight.
It does. It gives you lack of handling a little bit, you know. Very interesting turnout. Hey. Oh, I can at least announce your car, which is, this is David's new Cayman GTS 4.0.
Boxster, get it right.
Boxster, sorry, Boxster. Look at that. I don't even know my Porsches. What's the color called?
Shark blue.
Shark blue. That's sick.
Yep, little Smurf.
Little Smurf. Are you have a license plate coming in, or?
I have a license plate. I applied for Spicy Beetle.
Spicy Beetle.
SPYCBTL.
Clear taillights. Looks amazing. Bro.
You told me to get this car a year and a half ago.
I did, because it was the sweet spot. Like, this is the all-around, like, performance. You can drive it all day, holds its value.
Yeah. No regrets on the Spider.
No, but this is, I think this is the right choice.
This is right. This is a much more practical car.
Got black bucket seats, guys. Is that an Alcantara steering wheel?
Yeah, you can open it up.
Very special. The Alcantara always just feels special. Look at that. What year is this?
22.
22? On the steering wheel, you have a dial on the right side.
Yeah.
Is that for modes, like drive modes and things like that?
Yeah, that's the Sport Chrono.
Nice.
You'll know if Porsche has Sport Chrono when you see the clock on the dash.
Right.
The Sport Chrono can go to Sport, Sport Plus, all of that.
Fire extinguisher ready.
Oh, yeah.
Dude.
You leaving?
Oh, and
I've only been here all day.
what about the CarPlay? It's integrated?
Oh, wire.
Why? Okay, it works though. It works. Guys, the wind has died down a little bit, so you might be able to hear me as we check out the interior on this thing. This man is sitting far back. He's cruising, literally chilling. Green accents on the interior go so crazy. Look at this wheel setup. He is on a square setup. Normally the front is wider. Got the intakes, exhaust. And this thing, it's a 296. From the side when I parked, I could not tell, but from the front, you can definitely tell. What a beautiful car. Red on tan, super classy. And we have a GT3 Touring. GMG exhaust. Yellow decals. Indigo blue wheels. It's gonna get an indigo blue cage coming in. Look at those details. YSAC RS. This is Nina's brand new car. She has a GT4 RS and a Club Sport, which is the customer racing car as well. Insane. What a spec. Take it easy, bro. So we have Gaddis from Lithuania and his beautiful red RS6, only in red.
Yeah, they didn't decide for it in the United States.
What kind of engine is it? Is it a V8?
It's a 4.2 BC light.
I really like the rear end of it. Some of the silver accents you can see.
450 HP stock.
450.
Yeah. While the M5 was like 400, right?
Yeah, 2003. Yeah. And this looks so much more modern. Audi really modernized the whole styling of European cars.
The leather is very soft inside, like it's different like for any other car. It has Alcantara, it has carbon, it has a sport exhaust, it has like tips.
The exhausts look like modern Audi exhaust tips.
Yeah. So they came with two. So they came with the chrome tips, which is the standard, and the black tips is it's sport exhaust.
Yeah.
At that time they called sport exhaust.
This is a really sleeper car that you wouldn't know unless you really know about cars.
Yeah, exactly.
Are the red rear lights factory?
No, yeah, they're all original.
Amazing.
All original.
Look, key for the trunk, very classic.
Very classic, exactly. And what's another thing which you'll be surprised is that due to weight, they didn't have where to put the battery here.
Oh, inside the
Here.
Okay.
To put the battery.
Interesting. This I think is
Look
probably
how they did, like, look, another element. Same color,
you go to that car, same silver color, like these like trims.
Once you disconnect and you didn't have this, you fucked. It won't work.
So the calipers, the rotors, the brakes on the front, as well as the silver outline, the honeycomb grille, it all carries over. Are the tires fresh?
Yeah, you're that fresh.
That's good. And then of all things, a YSAC GT3 RS on mag blue wheels, crazy. And then a 5.0 Mustang. Got the F82 M4. We have a Porsche Spyder on Advan wheels, which looks crazy. Those are Japanese wheels. And then look at these classics over here. Oh my goodness. What are we working with here? Is it an engine swap? Okay, okay.
One of the best sounding 6-cylinders out there.
It does sound great. Like I'm driving around.
Full race car status. Still got the spare in the back. Look at this, 325 ES on BBSs next to the Porsche on Advans. Crazy. Got the M5 CS. I think this is Neil. He might be around here somewhere. Whose magic shop where cars come in and then suddenly get a defensive shield around them called PPF. This thing has almost 1,000 pounds of torque. It's an M5. These are hybrid. This one is beautiful. It's blue on black and orange. Oh, it does keep locking itself, doesn't it? Let me check the key real quick. Look at the key. That's cool. So the M5 gets a much nicer key than the M4. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see if he locked. Yeah, it locked itself immediately. Let's get closer to the car. I think Drew's got it on a trickle charger, as he always does with these powertrains when they're fresh and new. But look at that. Got the Bowers and Wilkins. The passenger has touch controls for the AC, which is crazy. The seats are insane. It does have a 12 o'clock marker, red only, and it's got a massive amount of carbon fiber. If you think about these cars, this is like the ultimate dadmobile. I think the wagon is coming to the US as well. I just really wish BMW offered a carbon fiber diffuser, not as an end performance part, but just kind of from the factory. The rear spoiler is carbon fiber, really nice. M5 accents, but a lot of gloss black plastic on this car. And here is the plug-in connection.
I have to tap off right now.
Yeah, here's the powertrain. It's a V8 twin turbo with hybrid. It's huge. There's literally no room to put your hands in anything. Like working on this would be absolutely insanity. Massive intakes and an asymmetrical camera. Here's the smart cruise control radar, but that camera must be the front facing camera. And then the side cameras are on the rear mirrors. It's a huge car. This thing would cause an earthquake if it just like fell somewhere. But beautiful, honestly. BMW's new design language is very square, and you could see it on this car. Let's turn the lights on real quick, guys. See what those look like.
I really like the kidney grill light.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. It's got the illuminated light. I think they do that on the hybrid and the electric models, so you know it's hybrid. Guys, you see the lights running across the whole dashboard? It goes blue, red, and then stays red when the door is open. M5 lit up in the seats, looks pretty cool. Check it out, guys. Taillights look pretty sick. I'm sure at night that looks great. BMW's taillight game is pretty strong. And here is the flat bottom steering wheel. It's not carbon fiber, so a lot of aluminum in the interior. There's no full leather option, so a lot of synthetic materials, but still pretty sick.
You want a Fresco? You look like you need a Fresco. You want me to get your Fresco?
Or do you want
We're in here with the off-road kit. So much lighting on this thing. Lifted. Looks badass. It's got blue accents on the rear bumper and the front bumper. Looks sick. So Drew has expanded. He has this other section of the shop. Remember, they do detailing, PPF, tint. They can do satin PPF. And honestly, it's your one-stop shop for taking care of your car exterior-wise and interior-wise if you need the interior cleaned as well. Yeah, it's a sick truck.